Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Vasu, and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro, and this is the Pacific Blue version. So yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see, the box itself is much smaller than any of the older iPhone boxes, and we will see why that's the case in a moment here. But yeah, let's open up the box and take a look at the iPhone now. Okay, let's put the phone aside for now and take a look at the other contents of the box. There's the typical paperwork, and then there's the Apple sticker and SIM ejector tool. There's the USB-C to Lightning cable, and that's pretty much it for all the contents of the box. That's mainly the reason the box itself is that small. Let's get into the setup of the phone. And while that's being set up, I must mention that this is not my phone, it's my cousin's. I already have an iPhone 11 Pro Max and decided not to upgrade this year because of the outrageous pricing here in India. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm going to leave you guys with some additional footage here so you guys can enjoy the iPhone in all its glory. Thanks for watching and peace out.